Close your eyes and imagine a land where history whispers through ancient ruins and nature paints landscapes that rival the most exquisite art. Welcome to Europe, a continent of breathtaking beauty and boundless wonder. From the tranquil fields of Provence, where even the bees seem to hum in harmony, to the magical canals of Venice, where every turn feels like stepping into a romantic postcard. Here in the Scottish Highlands, nature takes a dramatic turn, a canvas of rugged peaks and timeless beauty that could make even a Viking shed a tear. Meanwhile, in Barcelona, art doesn't just hang on walls, it shapes the city itself. Gaudi's genius invites you to dream in color. And then there's Norway, where the fjords teach us the art of stillness, and the soul finds peace in the embrace of nature. Europe isn't just a destination, it's a symphony of sights, sounds, and stories waiting to be explored. So pack your curiosity, and let's wander where Wi-Fi's weak, but memories are strong.